Hello everyone, this is our latest research and development mini water mill 9385, configured with a straightforward touch operating system, built-in miniature vibrable frequency governor. Visual window for a more intuitive understanding of the internal working situation. Let's use this scratched mobile phone to test its polishing effect. First, waterproof gluing. Scrape off excess glue on the surface. Then the glue cures and sets aside. Now we start polishing. Installing the phone into the mold and putting it into the machine. Put on the booster module. Pour in the grinding liquid. One button start. Turn on the lighting. Close the silo door. And wait for the polishing to finish. When the time comes, let's take a look at the polishing effect. A simple wipe can see that the sanding effect is very good, and the scratches are perfectly removed. Let's apply the film. Tear off the waterproof glue. Take out the phone. Remove the handset waterproofing glue. Perform screen surface clean. Finally, the tempered film is pasted, which absorbs naturally and fits perfectly without bubbles.